Right, we're here.
Hello.
The start of the Leeds Liverpool Canal, or at the Liverpool end. The end for us. We're starting Liverpool, we're heading to Leeds. Sun's been out, showery, expected today, but got a bit of a headwind for a few miles, but all is good.
It is, after the weather we've been having the last few weeks, like so.
You know, we might have looked out again, but we'll bring you back further along the cut.
See you later.
The gate's open. Yeah, just stop for 5. Just rest our backsides on these bumpy towpaths. There's a bit of a breeze blowing, but it's...
Yeah, there's a good north wind, isn't there?
Can't complain. No complaints.
Oh, not at all.
It's dry. We stopped for a photo. Transpennine Trail leads to Liverpool Canal. I think it goes that way. But we continue this way. Oh, it's one of them fancy can't get your bike through locks gates. Alright, thank you. Coming through Aintree. Right, we're just stopping under this tree. Gonna have some lunch. Not far off a busy main road there, but back there was a swing bridge. Luckily it was open for us to get right across. The road was closed, so yeah, we'll have a bite to eat. Again.
That's what we were driving for.
But it's shut, is it?
No.
Is it? Looks open. Oh, it's open. Stopped at the Running Horses. I think it's Maghull, is it?
Yeah,
Maghull.
A very nice point to Wainwright's.
Point of Wainwright. First of the day. Sun's still, well, it's
In
dry.
and out,
It's dry. It's windy but dry, so we can't complain.
Oh, no complaints.
All's good.
Really good.
Oh! Alright. Alright. Hiya. Oh, badly placed rocks. Yeah, we just stopped for 5. Just take the views. Beautiful afternoon. Couldn't have asked for better, eh?
Not after what we've had for the last few weeks. This is brilliant, isn't it?
Absolutely. But hopefully, I think it's not far from here we start to turn inland a bit, and
yeah, we'll
the wind will be pushing us, hopefully. You want to stop?
Photo.
Okay, we've just stopped off at another watering hole. This is the Slipway bar and restaurant, so we're just having a quick pint. I think it's about 4:30, 25 miles plus in or something. But
yep.
We're not breaking any records. The wind's been quite strong.
We've had a brick wall of a headwind, didn't we?
But we're just gonna try and head towards the sort of Wigan area. Maybe get yon side of Wigan for tonight. But first we need to find maybe another 5-6 miles, maybe down the canal, look for something to eat. We'll bring you back. So we've just reached the Rufford branch to our left. We'll get up a hill here and we should have a better view. Oh yeah, that's alright. Got the canal locks there. I can't see it with the sun against us. Liverpool 24, Wigan 10, Leeds 102.5. Rufford branch. Bit soft there. Right, so we just stopped for 5. Problem is stopping in every pub along the cut. You need a pee every 5-10 minutes. All good? Oh. Parboiled. Right, what happened to backtrack? The curse from last year strikes again. Somehow my waterproofs, which were strapped to the back, have come off and I've lost them. So we're just tracing our steps and hopefully can find them somewhere along here. They were definitely on at Rufford. Just checked some photographs and they were there then, so hopefully along this section we'll find them. Oh dear dear. It's like a yearly custom, this. Losing stuff. Okay. found my jacket, but we haven't found the leggings. Somewhere on the trail there's a pair of Berghaus pack lights.
Treasure hunt for one of your subscribers.
So if you find a pair of Berghaus pack lights, I'll pay the postage. Okay, we've just come down off the tow path, which is over that way, in that direction. Followed the river along and we found this little spot here, which should be ideal for pitching up tonight, out the way of everybody. So we'll get our gear, bring it across and get set up for the night. That's me set up in the Vango in this little section of wood. Ian's bivvying it tonight. He's got his tarp up. I don't think we're expecting much in the way of rain tonight, but
maybe tomorrow, but
just playing safe. So yeah, we're well tucked away now. The footpaths or the towpath's well over there, so we're in this little woodland bothering nobody. Right, that's our shelters all set up. You should be able to sort of see them there in the disc, yeah, behind there. Yeah. But we're just gonna close out for tonight. So we're just probably about 4 or 5 miles from Wigan.
Yeah, it's about 40 mile in, ain't we, today?
Yeah. We had to. I obviously lost some stuff off the back of the bike, so it's like last year, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll replay things out. It's easy done. It's easy done.
Yeah. So I managed to retrieve my jacket, which is the good thing. I've lost my leggings, but there you are. But we're set up for the night. So I'm in the tent, Ian's in his tarp, so we're just going to have a bite to eat and we'll call it a day for today, for day one, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Ta-ra.